Hi there. Thanks for stopping by my technology collection and checking it out. This is a collection that's taken me about 2 years to build, and the technology that you see here are things that I have come across in YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, emails, people sharing with me, and I put the things that I've sifted through that I really like and use a lot right here. What I wanted to do is give you a quick tour so that when you come back to this page, you will have a better idea of maybe where you would like to start when you're looking at technology and implementing it wherever you're going to do that. The first box I have here is the yellow one we'll go over. It's Symbaloo, and that's what you're looking at right now. And there's tutorials on how to do different things in Symbaloo. Like you see, I have different colored boxes on it. That tutorial is included in there. There's also information about how I actually use Symbaloo and Padlet in a combination with Google Docs to create a digital online journal. Basically, the kids had a journal, and every journal came with a link that I could send to their parents, and they could view their children's writing or even write with them at the same time online while they're working the kids in class. So you can check that out right there. Also, Symbaloo has a new feature that they added this year. It's called Symbaloo Lesson Plan, and basically it's like these boxes you see in front of you, but it is a game board where one box leads to another box, and as the kids go through the assignment, they start at one box, and that could be a video that they watch. The second box could be questions that they answer. The third box could be an activity that they do. There's videos there for you to check out, and if you're more interested in learning about that. Over here are my favorites. This section, pretty much, I've used everything here. I really have enjoyed all of that. The ultimate favorites are in these hearts here. If you click on them, they'll expand and you'll see what they are. Some of them are repeated here. If you're just getting started in technology, and this might be the first year you're going to pull some of it into your classroom, then here's your easy tech starter kit right up here. So go ahead and click on there. Inside of there, there's tutorials, and there's 6 different technologies that are really fast and quick to implement. If you're not familiar with Padlet, Padlet's like a digital bulletin board, but you can put up a question and your entire class simultaneously can answer that question. There's multiple uses for it, and there's different examples of how I've used it in there as well. If you're doing research and you want free pictures, there's a section down here. You click on this camera, it'll expand. This sweet search here is like a safe search for kids. So that right there, if they click on it, it's kind of like kids recs and whatnot. Also, eMaze, you can upload a PowerPoint up into it, and it even has a library that you can scan through, and it makes a PowerPoint into a really great presentation that is very simple. Plus, once it is in eMaze, you have a link, and once you have a link, you can do anything you want with it, whether it's email it to parents for review or send it to a link here and put it in another square in your Symbaloo that you're collecting it in. These are just some support links that I've used in the classroom for kids to use. Up here are some blogs, and this particular gentleman here is on YouTube, and if you click on here, you'll get one of his YouTube videos. Subscribe to him. He's got like 250 short YouTube videos on how to do things and connect things in Google Docs and other applications as well. So he's a great guy to follow. In a matter of 2 minutes, you can really learn a lot. My webpage is here. This more technology. Basically, it's technology that I've collected. It's the older stuff, but I haven't sorted it into one place or another. So I go back to that. There's some new things there that aren't here if you're interested. I am on Twitter. The Symbaloo has changed recently, and Twitter is no longer connected the same way. And I'm in the process of updating that. But I'm Wolfpack TES for Tallwood Elementary School. If you're interested in following me, go ahead and give a follow. Last but not least, these 2 sections here. This is available 2016 free Minecraft. Giphy, great. And here's an idea. If you're doing something on your computer screens where you're saying, okay, click here, click here, click here, you can go to Screencast-O-Matic, which is a free recording, which is, I'm basically doing it, recording with it right now. And you can record that, and if it's 15 seconds or less, or 10 seconds or less, you can upload it to YouTube, get that link from YouTube, drop it into this Giphy site, and it'll turn it into a looping video. And you can post it like on a directions or in one of these boxes as well. and it was just one of those really cool things to make saying the same thing over 60 times into a looping video that anybody could watch, whether it's faculty or staff or the students. Up here are some things that are new that have come from technology conferences, the FUTC conference here, and those are things that you can look at. So hopefully that'll give you a direction on where you might want to start on the page. Come back here often as I update it. If you've saved it to your Symbaloo and you have an account and it becomes one of your tabs, this page will update as I update it, and you'll be able to see the new things that I have added. And occasionally I'll throw a new video in here if I have to add more information to the tour. Thanks for stopping by.